Question says how many electrons can fit into the orbitals that comprise third quantum cell. N value is given here 3. Okay, only n value, principal quantum number value is given here. You can see there is no azimuthal quantum number value. Okay, and whenever question is asking to calculate the number of electrons present in a cell, we apply the formula number of electrons in a cell is equal to 2n square is there, but situation will change if it mentions azimuthal quantum numbers, because if azimuthal quantum number value is given there, then we have to calculate the number of electrons present in a particular orbital. Okay, it does not talk about orbitals. It says how many electrons can fit into the orbitals. It does not specify which orbitals. We have to calculate all the electrons present, the available orbitals that comprise third cell. And value given, you can plug in here. 2 multiplied by 3 square, we get 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. Total number of electrons present in the third cell will be 18. Whatever the orbitals are there, in those orbitals total number of electrons in the third cell will be 18. Option C is correct. We have option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.